Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So with the summer months being the most popular time to move, I wanted to provide you guys with 3 simple ways to pack for your move. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first simple way to packing for your move is to trash bag your clothes. What in the heck does that mean? Well, I'm gonna tell you. So trash bagging your clothes essentially is removing a section out of your closet. So these are your hung clothes, taking a plastic trash bag and opening it up and placing it on top, creating a small hole on the top so that the hanger hooks can go through, and then you tie the bottoms. That was an elaborate description on how to do so, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You trash bag your clothes. Of course, you do it in an orderly fashion because the goal is when you get to your new space, all you have to do is to literally hang your trash bagged clothes onto the closet rod and to cut off the trash bag, and then your clothes are perfectly hung. It's a really simple way to transport your clothes from one home to another. Plus, it's cheaper than purchasing a wardrobe box. So the second simple way to pack is to use clothes rather than bubble wrap or packing paper. So the reason why I suggest clothes is because it's readily available and it's gonna be going to the other place anyway. So there's no point in purchasing bubble wrap or packing paper. So if you find that you have too much space in your box, you can place some clothes in there to stuff it, to fill it up. Or when you're packing your dishes or your breakable items, you can use your clothes to wrap them, to secure them and place them in a box. So using clothes to pack is efficient, it's less expensive, and it's eco-friendly, which is a plus in my book. So let me know in the comment section below if you've actually tried this. So last but not least, the third simple way to pack is to label, and to be very specific when you're labeling. I cannot tell you how important labeling is when it comes to organizing a space, but it is 10 times more important when moving. When you label a box accurately, it allows you to know exactly where to place certain items in your new home. Plus, it helps the movers place the item in your new home as well, because no one wants to go into their bedroom and find kitchen items. I don't. So let's say, for instance, you're packing your kitchen, and in your kitchen, you're actually packing your utensil drawer. So on your label, you'll write kitchen and utensil drawer. Let's say in that drawer, you have 5 spoons, 6 forks, and 2 butter knives. We don't know what happened to those butter knives, but that is neither here nor there. So on your label, you will include the number of forks, the number of spoons, and the number of knives in that drawer. This not only prevents you from losing items, this allows you to know exactly what you have for the new space, which will help you determine if you need to buy new items. I wanted to give you packing tips that you can actually do yourselves rather than hiring a moving company or even a professional organizer to do it for you. Of course, if you do want to hire a professional organizer to unpack you or to pack you, they are out there and they will happily do it perfectly. So let me know in the comment section below if you'll be moving these summer months. I love moving. I love everything that moving is about. So let me know if you will be making a transition in your life by moving. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.